How to be acne-free. After I was a little child, I'd an excellent and delicate skin throughout my face and body. But as I began to approach my teens, a couple of pimples jumped up. There have been more until it was time to take action when I got older. For tips on a simple fix for acne, continue reading. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed, share the video and like the video. I assume many teens also have all acne solved from the time they reach their 20s and pass through this stage. However, in some instances, they are able to continue till adult stage. That is whenever you begin to feel focused on. From teenager till adult level, I have tried creams and numerous creams, natural remedies, facial masks in studio and so forth. But nothing seemed to work before the end. They stopped functioning, although all of them showed signs of performing properly from the beginning, and my face was once more left with acne. It is just using sunscreen on your own experience, and before you go out within the sun, browns baby powder like a light face pack outer finish. Yes, it will work magically. They will start to lower in range, however they will leave scars. Keep applying the straightforward makeup. The powder with all the layer of sunscreen under will work to get rid of your acne scars as well, and it is suggested below. Be sure to clean your face completely after you return home. If greater than 5-6 hours have elapsed and you are still beyond your house, wash your face and reapply the makeup. The makeup I recommend is equally valuable in winter nights. You need to be sure to wash that person completely once you return home. When you're without this makeup in winter or summer, wash that person as numerous times when you could. It'll pay off since the dust gathering on your skin is going to be cleaned off, helping to maintain that person clean and perfect and lowering the opportunity of sprouting of acne. Acne develops on oily skin. So I don't suggest that you use heavy makeup, any cream or any fatty products in your experience, because should you, they'll only result in development of more acne. Use just the simple makeup I would recommend and see it works for you. So odds are it'll do the job as well if you have acne problems. Periodically before bedtime or within the late night, you could possibly, however, use refreshing apricot scrub, which is fat-free and suited to all skin types, which not merely offers you a clean and delicate skin but also helps to remove the dead cells on your face, providing you with a wonderful, refreshing look. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed, share the video and like the video. Check out the description of the video below to get more information.